Good afternoon and welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Wow, metallic red, lovely Alfa Romeo. It's a Giulietta. It's a 1750 TBi Veloce TCT automatic Euro 6 5-door. 1750cc petrol turbo. I think these are around 250, 240 brake horsepower. Lovely, lovely car. Absolutely mint bodywork. Unmarked anthracite alloy wheels. New brake disc and brake pads all round. I think there's 7 Alfa Romeo services. This car has done 600 miles from new by its one owner, and it's got 7 Alfa services, and was serviced at 28 something thousand miles, and has only done 30,000 miles now. Just had new brakes all round, lovely Dunlop tyres on the front, immaculate bodywork, lovely inside. Just a very, very, very nice example of quite unusual, pretty quick little hatchback that goes really well. Got those twin exhaust pipes down there, and the nice deep rear splitter in the back bumper. As I say, anthracite wheels, new brake discs and brake pads all round. The wheels are mint, there's no curbing, there's no chipping. The paintwork is beautiful. New front discs, new front pads, front and rear park sensors, daytime running lights, front fog lamps. Got those lovely bucket seats, satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, BOSE Hi Fi, including the extra BOSE bass speaker under the floor in the boot. Black leather suede sports bucket seats, with the seatbelt holes and the Alfa Romeo embossed headrests. Black and red stitching everywhere. Nice sports steering wheel, got cruise control, satellite navigation, DAB radio, Bluetooth, climate control. Down there is your DNA button for your sports and comfort and winter modes. Look at those seats, cool. Yeah, leather suede, lots of red stitching, BOSE badges on all the speakers, and as I say, the extra subwoofer under the floor in the boot, twin exhaust pipes. Just press that a minute ago and go. What have I done wrong? Oh, engine's running. Right, this side as well, immaculate. In the boot, the parcel shelf is in there and it's like new. Jack, wheel brace, etc. It's all there. Unmarked wheels, new brake disc, new brake pads, not stone chipped. Very, very nice. Nice grey mirror backs, grey door handles to match the wheels. Electric windows, electric mirrors. I think they're folding mirrors. They are. Got the BOSE badge down there. Car comes with 2 keys. Remember, it's only done 30,000 miles. It's got cruise control. It's got satellite navigation. It's got DAB radio, front and rear park. Everything's in lovely condition. Goes really well. Great fun to drive, automatic. Quick little car. Price £16,995. Remember, this is a 2018 one owner car, 30,000 miles, 7 Alfa Romeo services, and ready to go. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last couple of years. You can thumb through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you'll get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You'll be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today.